Today's video is sponsored by my self-haircut course.
Get your pots and get your pans ready because your boy Egghead is about to come to the scene again. But all jokes aside, you guys, today I'm going to be giving myself a very simple and beginner buzz cut using the number 1 guard with the lever closed. Now this video has been recommended to me from you guys in the YouTube comments, on Instagram, on the live streams. Everywhere I go, everyone's like, Alex, do a number 1 guard buzz cut. And deep down, I really think you guys just want to see me go bald. Which is completely okay with me because I know if I shorten the hair on top and I have a beard, it's going to elongate my face. Whereas if I have long hair on top and no beard, the long hair on top is going to elongate my face. And now enough talking, let's get right into this number 1 guard buzz cut self haircut. Let's do it to it. How should I do this? I think I might give myself like a little mohawk first. I'm a little nervous, not gonna lie. It's been 3 months. Number 1 guard, lever closed, buzz cut. Let's do this. Yo, that's Egghead boy to the extreme. This is another level. Jesus. I got a dry head right here, boy. There's no turning back now. All right, haircut's done. Do I look like I belong in a prison or what? That's crazy, look at that. Wow. All right, let's keep it going. I don't even have words for this. I look like I'm one of those guys walking into a spot that's getting a toupee, getting a hairpiece. Not looking too bad, not too bad. I definitely see Egghead in the mix, but it's all good. Let's do this side now. Okay, so now let's hit the back side. So I basically just did a rough draft of my hair. Just went through it one time. So now I'm just gonna go back in, still with the number 1 guard lever closed, and I'm going to pretty much just do everything that I can to make sure that there's no stray hairs and even everything out as much as possible. Let's go right down the middle one more time. It's me, Egghead. Right here, you can see kind of where my head like forms these weird ridges, and that's mainly because this is exactly where I have my part line. I guess my head just kind of formed after all these years parting my hair right here. So now you guys, I'm gonna be going in with my trimmer and just going around and detailing and lining up around my hairline, and then afterwards I'm gonna go in and do my forehead hairline as well with a straight razor. So now I'm going to go in and put in a straight line on the back of my head here and then work my way over to the corner of my hairline.
Before we continue with the video, I want to thank today's sponsor, my self-haircut course. My goal with this course is to help you learn a lifelong skill set that will keep your money in your pocket and save you hours of your time every self-haircut by not having to drive to and from a barbershop and pay for an inflated price plus the tip. Take advantage of my self-haircut course, which provides you weekly one-on-one private coaching calls, live streamed interactive self-haircut tutorials, a private community group chat, and over 60 high-quality videos on the Teachable platform. To start saving your time and money by learning how to cut your own hair, click on the first link in the description to start today. Thank you, Self-Haircut Course, for sponsoring this video.
You guys, check this out. If I didn't have a beard with the haircut, look how ridiculous I would look. You know who I look like right now? I look like Mr. 305, Pitbull, Dade County. They're gonna be like, yo, that's not Mr. 305, that's Mr. 786. They call me, I know you want me, you know I want you. So now I'm going to be using the Tomb 45 shaving gel, and I'm also going to be grabbing my straight blade right here and just go in and touch up my hairline right here by my forehead and make the lines as straight as possible. And now before I even go in with the straight blade, I just want to let you guys know that this isn't a necessary step within the self haircut. This was basically a two-step self haircut where I had the buzz cut with the #1 guard lever closed, and then I just used the trimmer to go ahead and line myself up. But if you want to go the extra step, you can use your straight blade and line everything up to clean it up a little bit more. Alright everyone, so it's officially the next day and I'm completely showered and my scalp is clean. So now I'm going to show you the before and after of this beautiful beginner buzz cut self haircut. But you guys, that's pretty much it for this buzz cut self haircut. Let me know in the comment section down below what you thought of this video. And quite honestly, let me know if you think this looks good. I know I've got a bunch of random like dandruff patches and like red spots from, I guess, scratching my head, so it might look a little bit crazy. But if you can see beyond that and just look at the haircut and the beard combined, let me know in the comments what you guys think. And if you plan on giving yourself a self haircut just like this one, definitely DM me the photos or the videos on Instagram, or just message me in the free Discord community linked in the description down below. But if you guys did like today's video, definitely leave a like and share this video with a friend. And don't forget to click the subscribe button down below if you are new to my channel, and also click on the post notifications as well to never miss a new video. And one last thing before you guys go, I'm doing a little bit of a rebranding for my self haircut course. You guys aren't even going to recognize it within the next month and a half roughly. So I'll give you guys a little bit of a heads up that something's gonna be happening. I'm working on a big project right now, rebranding the self haircut course. So definitely stay tuned for that if you've ever been interested in learning how to cut your own hair and want a more detailed approach with private live streams and group or one-on-one coaching calls, as well as a whole bunch of other perks as well that come with the self haircut course. But alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will catch you all next time. Peace!